Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we have a request for Mailbox from Blue's Clues. So grab your marker and follow along with me. It's going to be quite easy. First thing that I'm going to start with is the eyes. So I'm going to draw two egg shape next to each other, very close together. We're going to draw the pupils. And let's shade the pupils in. Right between the pupils, we're going to draw a smile. So you're going to draw a nice big smile. And now we're going to make it even bigger. So you're going to just draw a line right around there. And there we go, there's a smile. Right on top of the eyes, we're going to draw two pieces of steel. That's sort of a lock mechanism for our mailbox. Good, there's one lock mechanism. And then there's one just behind it, so you're going to draw it. There we go, there's a vertical line, and we're just going to make the same shape, bring it back and round. There's a locking mechanism for our mailbox right there below, so we're going to draw the side of the face of our little mailbox. There's one side, let's draw the other side. And I'm going to stop just a little bit higher, and I'm going to connect this line and make a nice face. There's the face. We're going to follow and make another line just next to the face, going out with a little bump and a little oval shape right there. Now before we go on, there's a flag on our little mailbox. I'm going to start here on top, and I'm just going to draw a little flag going down with a widening bottom going up. And there we got a little flag, a button there in the middle. There we go. And now we're going to draw the shape. I'm going to start at the bottom. I'm going to draw a light curve upwards and going down. Stop right there. And now on top we're going to follow the same curve. So I'm just going to make a little mark for me indication. So there would be my stopping point, and I'm going to draw it sort of with a bump at the top. Be careful not to go through the flag. There we go. And now we're going to connect this. There's the shape of our little mailbox. And I forgot, you're on top. I just quickly want to complete this little locking mechanism. Right, we're going to draw just a little edge to our mailbox. There we go, there's a little edge. And now we're going to draw the handling mechanism. There we go. Two circles there at the bottom. Now from out here, I want you to draw two short straight lines, and we're gonna draw a line up and make another rectangular shape. And you're just gonna take it up, you're gonna pass the mailbox to the top, and you're just gonna do this. Good. Now we're gonna draw roughly blocks this length. So on this same angle, I'm going to draw a long line out like this. Then I'm going to draw a straight line, and I'm sort of going to follow this angle. Bring it back, and we're going to make a rectangle. There we go. On this side, bring a line back. Now roughly about this width, we're just going to draw two little lines back. There we go. Now we're going to do the same thing again. I will draw a straight line down. There we go. And on this side, you're going to draw a straight line down again. And then you're going to connect it. You're going to make a block. There we go. Same width and good. and then you're just going to draw some circles right there. So it's going to form sort of this scissor mechanism in which the mailbox is attached to. And there's our little mailbox. Now that was quite easy, wasn't it? Now you can look at my picture and you can match the colors, and I'm sure your mailbox is going to look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. Click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you soon. Bye bye.